Hearing process, and certainly the notoriety of this case, absolutely unprecedented.
A number of people from Buffalo will be heading to Albany tonight and tomorrow to attend that hearing for controversial school board member Carl Paladino.
News 4's Dave Graber is already in Albany tonight. He has a preview of this unprecedented event.
The 6-month wait for the fate of Buffalo School Board member Carl Paladino is nearly over. This unprecedented hearing kicks off at 9 a.m. here tomorrow at the State Education Building in Albany. At stake is whether Paladino violated his duties as a board member by divulging what the school district is considering confidential information. The petition hearing between the Buffalo Board of Education and Carl Paladino is new territory for the state, according to Tim Creamer and Jay Warona of the New York State School Boards Association.
Generally, there aren't full-fledged hearings such as this. I think given the notoriety and the attention that has been focused on this, I think our commissioner wants to make sure there are no questions of process. She wants to make sure she gets this right.
At stake is whether Paladino divulged to the public confidential information that he learned during executive sessions about personnel matters, contract negotiations with teachers, and pending lawsuits. The school board says he did, not once, but twice, in separate articles that appeared during the winter in Art Voice.
All of those matters are supposed to be kept confidential, and board members can be removed for divulging that confidentiality.
Paladino has maintained that the school board is retaliating against him for what he said about Barack and Michelle Obama, also in Art Voice a month earlier. As a result, Paladino says the board is violating his First Amendment rights to free speech.
We already know in advance that Dennis Vacco, who is representing him, is going to be maintaining that all of that confidential stuff is really a subterfuge, it being the raising of those issues, or a subterfuge for really what the issue is, which is that the board didn't like what he had to say, and they're proclaiming that to the extent to which those statements were or were not problematic, those are protected under the First Amendment.
Although there's no precedent for these types of hearings, Commissioner Mary Ellen Illia does have the option of an immediate ruling. However, in all likelihood, she will be issuing a written opinion some weeks or even months after the hearing is complete. And Paladino has already indicated that if he is indeed removed from the board, he will be appealing that decision. Coming up tonight on News 4 at 6, you will hear more from the State School Boards Association and their opinion of how Buffalo's Board of Education is doing and the impact this Paladino matter is having on the education of children in the Queen City. Reporting from Albany, Dave Graber, News 4 at 5.